Alright, we're up to circuits now. This is the next question on AP Physics 2 Free Response Questions 2022. So we're given four resistors, RA, B, C, and D, and we know that RA equals RC, and those are just given by R. And B and D are two other resistors, and they have a resistance of twice the resistance of A and C, 2R. And we're also given two circuits. We're given A and B arranged in a parallel circuit configuration, and C and D arranged in a series circuit configuration. And the task here is to rank the voltage drop across the resistors A, B, C, D. And I'm going to assume, I believe, yeah, they're given the same voltage supply. Alright, so for A and B, we see that they're in parallel, and you know that for resistors in parallel, attached to the same voltage supply like this, they share the same voltage drop across them. So that means VA is equal to VB. It does not matter that they have different resistances. They just have the same, the circuit topology shows that this node and this node, by case KVL, they have to have the same VA and VB. For this one now, they are in series. They share the same current. So I can write that the voltage drop across C is I times the resistance of C, which is R. And for D, voltage drop across D is the same current. What's the resistance of D? That's 2 times R. So I see here that the voltage drop across C is less than D. But now what is this magnitude? Sure that they share this magnitude, but how does it compare to these guys? Well, this is just the voltage of the supply, right? So I can see on this one, I could use KVL. The sum of the voltages must be equal to 0. So that means Vs, we're going to go up Vs minus Vc, which is IR, minus 2Ri. And that must be 0. So I get that the voltage of the supply, which I know that this is VA and VB, must be 3IR. So if I was to rank these, I get that this is the voltage drop across A, voltage drop across B, and as follows. So if I was to rank these, which ones have the smallest I is the greatest magnitude? Okay, so yeah, V and B, A and B have 3IR, that's the greatest, so I'm going to put 1 and 1. C and D, I need the next one up. The next greatest one would be, actually the next one would be the smallest one. So I would put D as 2 and C as 3. And that would be your answer for this part.